Yeah, you better come back here. What's up, people? I'm gonna show you my house. Guess what? These people did not invite me here. Yo! What are you having, people?
Why are you here? You are not invited here.
I'm not invited?
Yeah.
Screw you, man!
If you want, I'll give you some. You want to come and eat with us?
What's that?
Watch what?
Who?
So this is Kabsa, a very...
La. You did not invite me, so I'm not part of this. I'm gonna fight with you.
Okay.
Fight with him. He said he wants to fight with you.
Yeah, I can fight with someone.
You hit an old guy?
Yeah.
Look!
I like beating old people. So.
People on the internet, did you hear what you just said? Claim that.
Okay.
Cheers.
How, my man? What are you doing, guys?
We're enjoying some cider. You want some, Albert?
What is it?
Cider. Hot
Cider?
Yes.
Mm.
I'll
Show
pour
me,
you
show me.
I'll pour you a cup too, Albert.
You let me bring the camera. Yo, guys, those are my ugly friends.
We're pouring Albert some cider. You cannot be calling us ugly, Albert.
Oh.
Is this enough?
Oh, yeah.
Give it to him.
Wow, Amir, you're such a friend. I don't know how to hold it. Come on, man.
Drink some, drink some. How does
Oh,
it taste?
thank you. It's cold.
Yeah.
Yo, guys, I'm learning something with these people. I don't know what I'm doing here.
It tastes really good. You guys should
It
try
does.
some cider too, yeah.
Yo, guys, what's the temperature now?
It's like, I would
No,
guess it's
no.
like 3. What's your guess?
What?
5.
Well, what's your guess, Albert?
It's not Albert, it's Albert.
Albert, what's your guess?
It's, you said 3?
He said 5.
I said 5.
What's your guess, Albert?
2.
Well, you're wrong. It's 7. It feels like 4 though.
Oh,
I got the closest
He was the closest one.
it's cold.
You should put on another layer then.
Yeah. You already got a nice jacket, but it's okay.
Yo, I want to ask you something, you guy with long hair.
Okay.
What's your name?
Amir?
Oh, and you?
His name's
Oh,
Mir.
Mir.
My name is Balaji.
One more, please.
Balaji.
Oh, cool. Yo, guy with long hair. Can you pull my finger? Here.
Which one?
This is one. Oh, yeah. Ah! Yo, come here.
Old man, don't bite me, old man.
No, come here. No. Can you put your mouth, like your finger inside my mouth? Look. No, get out of here.
Old senile old man. Stop.
You reminded me of that Saudi guy. He wanted to kick all the older people.
Yeah, he's right there. You still want to fight him?
Yeah, where is he?
Right there.
Hi.
Hi.
No.
He's gonna
I don't
fight
like
you.
man.
I'm peaceful now. That was before eating. Now I'm okay.
You were hungry?
Yeah, I was
Ah,
hungry. So.
poor my son.
Yeah.
Nom.
Well, Albert is still hungry. Albert is still hungry because we didn't invite him for food, you know? He's still hungry, so he's still angry with us.
Right.
So we still have to fight him.
Yo, guess what?
What?
Chicken butt.
No, I love you.
Aw, thank you, Albert.
Yo, give him the microphone. Guess what? I hate you.
Didn't rhyme, but it's okay.
No, it's because he loves me and hates you.
Mwah. I love you. Don't cry. Huh? That's for me?
Oh no, it's for me too. Sharing is caring.
Alright, you get out of here, you, ba, la, g,
Bye-bye!
bye now. Yo guys, if you want to see more, please do not subscribe and leave that Saudi guy alone. And this guy, he will cry right now. Look at him. Make the sound, please. Say it. Say
No,
Yeah,
there's
yeah.
no way I'm gonna say that.
You see? Subscribe so he doesn't cry. Bye bye.